In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin chats in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where pinned conversations live and how to remove them from the top of your list so your workspace stays tidy and focused. Start by opening your Claude AI account. Use your usual browser or the official app and make sure you're signed in so you can see your conversations. Once you're in, go to the chat area. This is the main space where all your recent and saved conversations appear. It's the hub for everything you've discussed, and it's also where your pinned items are organized. Pinned chats are designed to stay within easy reach. You'll typically see them right at the top of your conversation list, and you may also find them grouped under a dedicated section labeled starred. If you notice a small star icon next to a conversation title, that's a quick visual cue that the chat is pinned. Now, to unpin a chat, look for the three-dot menu next to the conversation you want to move out of the pinned area. This menu is sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. On desktop, it usually appears to the right of the chat title and may show up when you hover your mouse over the entry. On mobile, it's commonly visible as an ellipsis next to the chat name. Click that three-dot menu to open the options for that specific conversation. From the menu, choose Unstar. This is the action that removes the star from the chat and takes it out of the pinned or starred section. As soon as you select Unstar, the star icon should disappear and the conversation will drop back into your regular list, sorted with your other chats. If you've been keeping your most used threads pinned, you'll notice the list instantly feels cleaner because only the essentials remain at the top. If you have more than one pinned chat, simply repeat the same process. Open the three-dot menu for each one and choose Unstar. You can always pin something again later if your priorities change, but for now, this keeps your workspace streamlined and your attention on what matters most today. That's it. Open your Claude AI account, head to the chat area, locate your pinned or starred conversations, click the three dots next to the one you want to change, and select Unstar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough helps you keep your chat list organized and easy to navigate.